At Bruce Bauer, spring marks the beginning of the planter box season. Whether you want to plant your own vegetable garden or you enjoy flowers in your yard, building a raised planter bed is a fun project for the whole family. For this project, we will need a cordless drill, some 4-inch fasteners with their corresponding bit, and a tape measure. For this planter, we will be using GRK's RSS, or Rugged Structural Screw. This fastener does not require pre-drilling, and the washer head will help to really pull the perimeter boards on your planter in tight. We will also need a hammer and some 3/4-inch staples to tack on some hardware cloth when we're done to prevent rodents from getting into the bottom of your planter. As always, we want to make sure that we have our proper safety equipment. Today we will be using some gloves as well as your basic ear and eye protection. While there are a variety of ways that you can create the edges of your planter, we recommend using 2x12 Construction Heart Rough Redwood for its durability as well as its natural beauty. Take a look at the piece of redwood on the left. This is called sapwood, meaning it comes from the outer layer of the tree and doesn't possess the same rot-resistant features as the heartwood shown on the right does. This is why we build our planter boxes out of 100% all heart redwood, and on top of that, it looks great. Once you've selected your boards, it's time to cut them down to your specific dimensions. Our raised bed in this video will be 3 feet by 4 feet, so we'll get started by measuring a 4-foot section of 2x12 rough redwood. Now we'll line up the board and make our first cut. After measuring our second 4-footer, we'll go ahead and cut that one as well. Now we will cut our 3-footers for the shorter edges of the planter box, and then we'll be ready to move on to the corners. For the corners of the raised bed, we will cut a 4-foot long 4x4 into 11-inch sections. This will give us 4 posts just shorter than the height of the edge boards, giving us something to screw our 2x12s into. We like to set up a guide block on our saw, ensuring that all 4 posts are cut at the exact same length. Now that our corner blocks are cut and ready to go, we can lay out all of our pre-cut pieces and get ready to assemble. Lay out all of your boards, and be sure to get the corners as square as possible. Now, add your corner blocks. Without driving all the way through the first 2x12, get 2 fasteners started on the edge of each board, ensuring that once finished, the screw will drive directly into the center of your 4x4 corners. You will now have 4 screws sticking out of each corner, a total of 16 fasteners. Now, it's as simple as walking around your box, driving each screw while ensuring that the 4x4 and 2x12s remain square. It's not a bad idea to have a helper for this portion of the project, as it can be tricky keeping the corners aligned while you drive your fasteners. Next, flip over the planter and lay out your piece of hardware cloth. We've already trimmed ours to 3 feet by 4 feet to fit our planter box. Now, hammer down each corner into the 4x4s with your 3/4-inch staples, then add a staple in between each post to make sure that rodents don't squeeze in from the sides. Now that we've completed the assembly of the box, it's time to place your planter in the yard and add some soil. And now for the fun part. Put your green thumb to work and add your vegetables or flowers to your new raised garden bed. Remember, we've used natural, all-heart redwood without any treated products, so you can rest assured that your new planter is safe to grow food for you and your family. Now we've got a gorgeous new raised redwood planter that's sure to provide decades of service in the yard. What are you waiting for? Give us a call today and let's talk about building your very own custom planter box. This has been a do-it-yourself video from Bruce Bauer. Thanks for watching.